बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am showing you a most beautiful and very creative recycling craft ideas. These are very unique ideas to you guys. So viewers, I hope so you like this video. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates, for more videos. These are very stunning, these are very creative ideas for you guys. You make these craft ideas at home very easily. So viewers, you also watch different other videos on my channel about different craft work, and if you want other craft videos, and you leave the comment below in the comment section, I will upload those videos on my channel about different craft work very soon, inshallah. And guys, if you like this video, you hit the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. I personally enjoy these type of craft work because these are very cheap prices, and these are very unique, and I love to make these type of things at home. And someone, if you don't know about the how to make these type of craft work, then you watch tutorials on YouTube about these craft work, and then you make these craft work at home very easily. And you guys recycle your jeans, and you make these things with your old or jeans, and you make these things very easily to make storage for different kind of things or for different purposes. So guys, I hope so you like this video and you enjoyed this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. And if you enjoyed this video, you must share this video with your friends, and you must leave the comment in the comment section, and you must subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and with your family members. And you must enjoy your life, because this is your life, and you must enjoy your life with your own things. And thank you so much for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. So guys, always take care and follow for more details, and keep subscribing my channel, and always be happy. Allah Hafiz guys.